in this lecture also we will continue with straight division method. Here we have to divide 529 by 23. First of all, we will write dividend over here like this. Now here the divisor is 23, so base digit is 2 and flag digit is 3. Because flag digit is of one digit number, so we will separate one digit from the last, like this. Now basically we are going to divide by a single number 2. When 2 divides 5, we get quotient as 2 and remainder as 1. So we place the quotient number 2 over here and the remainder just before the next dividend number. So next dividend number is 12, and from 12 we always subtract the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. 3 multiplied by 2 gives us 6. So net dividend becomes 6. And whenever we get net dividend, then 2 divides net dividend. Now when 2 divides 6, quotient is 3 and the remainder is 0. So we place the quotient over here and the remainder before the next dividend number. Now next dividend number is 9. From the 9 we want net dividend number. For net dividend number we subtract the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. Flag digit number is 3 and previous quotient number is 3, so product of 3 and 3 is 9. So we subtract 9. We get 0. Once we get 0 over here and there is no digit left, then this is 0. So quotient is 23 and remainder is 0. Now one more example. We have to divide 4096 by 64. So this is our dividend and this is our divisor. First of all, dividend number. Now divisor can be written as 6 and flag digit number over here. So 6 is the base digit number and 4 is the flag digit number. Because the flag digit number is a one digit number, so we separate just one number from the rest of the dividend numbers. Now 4 is not divisible by 6, so we will take 2 digit number 40. Now 6 will divide 40. If 6 divides 40, we get 6 as the quotient and 4 as the remainder. We write the quotient number over here and remainder before the next dividend number, like this. So next dividend number is now become 49. From 49, after subtracting the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number, we will be able to get the net dividend number. So from 49 we are going to subtract the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. So 4 multiplied by 6 gives us 24, which is equals to 25. So net dividend number is 25. Now if 6 divides 25, we get quotient as 4 and the remainder as 1. So quotient is 4 and the remainder is 1. So we place the remainder before the next dividend number. So next dividend number is 16. And from the next dividend number, we subtract the product of previous quotient number and the flag digit number to get the net digit number. So 4 multiplied by 4 gives us 16, which is equals to 0. So 0 is the net dividend number now, since no more numbers are left. So 0 over here. So if 64 divides 4096, quotient is 64 and remainder is 0. Let's do one more problem. Now it is a 6-digit number and we are going to divide by 85. Now this is the place of the divisor. 85 is the divisor, but we write 8 as the base digit number and 5 as the flag digit number. And because the flag digit number is a one digit number, we just separate one digit from the last, like this. Now 6 is not divisible by 8, so we will divide 61 by 8. If 8 divides 61, quotient is 7 and the remainder is 5. We place the remainder before the next dividend number. So next dividend number is 55. From 55, we want net dividend number. In order to get the next dividend number, we have to subtract the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. 5 multiplied by 7 gives us 35 and this is equals to 20. Now this is a net dividend number and we always divide net dividend number by the base number. So if 8 divides 20, we get 2 as the quotient and 4 as the remainder. So 2 as the quotient and 4 as the remainder. So next dividend number is 40. From 40, we subtract the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number to obtain the net dividend number. Now 5 multiplied by 2 gives us 10. So net dividend number is 30. Now net dividend number is 30. Now if 8 divides 30, we get 3 as the quotient and 6 as the remainder. So 3 as the quotient and 6 as the remainder. Now next dividend number is 66. From this next dividend number, we want net dividend number. For that, we have to subtract the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. 5 multiplied by 3 gives us 15 and this gives us 51. So 51 is the net dividend number. Now if 8 divides 51, we get 6 as the quotient and 3 as the remainder. 6 as the quotient and 3 as the remainder. So 30 is become the next dividend number. So from 30, in order to get the net dividend number, we will subtract the product of flag digit number and the previous quotient number. 5 multiplied by 6 gives us 30 and the difference of 30 and 30 is 0. So 0 over here. Quotient is 7236. So this is how, by applying straight division method, we can divide any big number by a 2-digit number. And now there is a task to practice more problems and answers are on the next sheet. And that's all in this lecture. Bye.